G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm doing another flip cup pour, this time with a combination of pinky purple kind of colours as well as a couple of blues and gold. Now I've already prepared my canvas, so I've already added these giant push pins as well as painter's tape to the back. Now the actual colours that I'm using are two iridescent Pebeo paints, so iridescent violet blue, Jo Sonja's Purple Madder, Prussian Blue Hue, and Iridescent Blue Green, followed by Pale Gold and a combination of whites from Jo Sonja, the Translucent Pearl White and the Opaque Titanium. So I'm just going to be using my standard pouring medium. I have a video that I'll link to for how to make this. And for the Pebeo paints, I'm just going to add a tiny amount of this pouring medium to start with, mix the paints well, and then later add some more pouring medium and some water. The other Jo Sonja paints, because they're a lot thinner, I can just add pouring medium straight. So just going to add a little bit more pouring medium to the two Pebeo paints. Now just going to add a little tiny bit of water to the Pebeo paints to ensure they're the right consistency. So now I'm ready to layer my cup, and I'm using my standard cell activator, which I've got a link to a video on how I make this. And I'm going to start off with a good layer on the bottom of the flip cup. Okay, so the cup is now ready to flip. Okay, let's see how this one turns out. Let that sit just for a couple of seconds. Certainly got some very beautiful color combinations in here. Starting to get some lacing through the center here. I do wonder what's going to happen when I start stretching this paint. Before I do, I'm just going to get the rest out of what's left in the cup so as not to waste it. And I'm just going to cover the corners and the edges. This is quite interesting. I've definitely got some cells popping up here and over here as well. Just going to pop the bubbles. Now to start stretching. Wowee, I think that has turned out absolutely amazing. So here's the finished painting, just giving you a close-up view of those details through the center here with all of the beautiful gold and pearl white sparkles. I'm so pleased with how this piece turned out. I love these patterns up here in the top left, and the subtlety of the color mixes that happened through the lower part of the painting. I just love being able to see the layers underneath and all the lacing effects on top. Then just giving you another angle on some of these lower sections. And these large, beautiful cells at the top and the center, and the little patterns that were created with the cell activator around those cells. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please let me know what you think of this painting in the comments.